So there was a CNBC article and survey that was done. It was in November. And so from that article, this was like 75% of the people surveyed are expecting post-pandemic to have, 1 to 2 remote days and continue to have autonomy or some sort of flex schedule after the pandemic. Now that particular, I've read all kinds of different articles, a lot relevant to product development, clinical studies, and that process. So this particular study was not relevant to med device or pharma or our niches. Okay. It was all workers. But to me, that even more accentuates what it's going to be. And from the people that I talk to on a regular basis, in terms from a candidate standpoint, in our areas, because of how niche they are. And because there's aspects of it that you could do. So the company that is going to draw a line in the sand and be like, hey, we're not going to do that. I think in the next 2 years, they're going to have a lot of problems with that.
They're going to have a lot of problems. They're going to have a lot of problems, and they're going to risk losing some good talent.
Absolutely.
They're going to risk being able to meet, project deadlines because they weren't able to hire in time because they're not open to this form of working. And that would be unfortunate.
There are certain positions that we're working on there that are remote, and they'll remain remote with some travel in. But there are also quite a few positions that we're working on where they'll need to relocate at some point after the pandemic. And that's in a sense understandable because of the type of position they are. But I think it's interesting because there are some positions where that sort of pre-pandemic thinking, we're not okay with that. We're not okay with autonomy, remote days. And they're going to be in situations where they're going to have this person come in. They're going to have successfully worked remotely and done their job responsibilities for anywhere from 3 to 6 months. And then they're going to say, oh, now we want you to move. It's going to be interesting.
Yeah, it'll be interesting. Yeah.
What it does to the marketplace. And I think the other thing that's happened is there are more people that are open to contract work that would have never been open to contract work.